Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. I've been handling car accident cases for about 27 years at the time that I'm shooting this video. And one of the questions that I get when I'm out in the community or just talking to people about what I do is, how long should I wait before I call an attorney after a car accident? And so there's really no set answer to this question, and there's no right or wrong answer to it either. But the advice that I give most people is, why don't you call an attorney as soon as you run into an issue that you don't feel comfortable with? There's no penalty or harm in contacting an attorney within hours or maybe the next day after a car accident and asking questions, and that's kind of the key thing. There's no personal injury attorney that I know of charges a fee to pick up the phone and answer people's questions after an accident, whether they want to represent that person or whether that person has a case or not. It's sort of par for the course for attorneys that practice personal injury law. And there are a number of valuable pieces of advice or information that a personal injury attorney can share with an accident victim that may make a big difference in their claim. So one of the first things that I would ask or share with someone is, please take pictures of your vehicle after the accident. And at best, the best thing that they could probably do is take pictures of both vehicles at the accident scene so that we can see what happened, where were the vehicles located, and that sort of thing. That's a critical issue that sometimes we miss out on if someone doesn't call us soon after an accident. So that would be one factor. An additional point where an attorney might be able to help is if an insurance adjuster is calling your house or wanting to speak to you about an accident. So an attorney may have some insights or some valuable suggestions about how to answer some of the questions that typically come up when insurance adjusters call, or what to say, what not to say, and that sort of thing. Another factor might be, when should I go to the doctor, or which doctor should I go to, or what kind of specialist should I see? Those are all things that personal injury attorneys have some experience with and may be able to share valuable insights with someone if they pick up the phone and call us and ask us questions about it. Doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to represent that person, and that person certainly has the right to call around and talk to a bunch of different lawyers if they decide that they want to have an attorney assist them or represent them in a case. But it still never hurts to call an attorney and ask them questions. And like I said before, personal injury attorneys are used to taking calls and they're used to answering questions. So the answer to the question about when is it appropriate to call an attorney after a car accident is soon after the car accident, as soon as you have an issue that you don't feel comfortable with or you don't understand. With attorneys who specialize in handling personal injury cases, you don't have to worry about the attorney sending you a bill or billing you for his time, because almost all personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, so they know that they don't get paid until or unless they settle a case for a client. So personal injury attorneys are sort of used to working at the beginning of a case essentially for free or without immediately expecting money from clients. So if you have any questions about what to do after a car accident, please call us. We love to answer questions. You can call our office at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444. You can email me personally to my email address. It's kmc@cullen-hemphill.com. You can visit our YouTube page, where we have hundreds of videos just like this one, where we answer questions that people commonly have about personal injury cases. Or you can visit our website, where we have even more blog posts, legal articles, and videos that cover the same sorts of information that I've just covered in this video.